Hey guys, my name is Sunshiine Sanchez and today I am going to be doing my curly hair routine. If you're interested in how I style my curls every week, please keep watching. So I begin with sectioning off my freshly washed hair. Off camera, I shampooed and conditioned my hair with Whole Blends the Honey Treasure line by Garnier. Even though my hair is already wet, I'm gonna add more water for more moisture. The first product that I'm going to use is my leave-in conditioning mist by Cantu. Next, I go in with my Cantu leave-in conditioning repair cream. This is one of my longtime favorites. After that, I go in with my Strictly Curls Curl Cream by Marc True Professionals. Now I repeat. Water, Cantu Mist, Cantu Leave-In Repair Cream, Strictly Curls Curl Cream. Next, I take a couple pumps of my Avocado hair mousse by Curls. And it smells amazing. After that, I'm going to go in with my Hair Milk Styling Foam by Carol's Daughter. Oops, a little too much, but that's okay. Nope, not done yet. To seal everything all in, I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler Gel. Look at these juicy curls. Come on, like no flakiness, no white stuff, none of that. These products blend perfectly together. Now we're gonna stop touching our hair and let it air dry. And boom, we're back several hours later. And believe it or not, my roots are still a little damp, but we'll fix that in a minute. Now I'm gonna give my hair a couple sprays of my Argan oil of Morocco healing dry oil. Now I'm gonna diffuse my roots and just make sure everything is nice and dry. Next, I love massaging my scalp with vitamin E oil. Last but not least, I seal in all this moisture with Argan oil of Morocco penetrating oil. I'm going to fluff up my hair just a little bit with my pick. Now it is time to go to sleep. Night night. Hey guys, it's the next day. I wanted to put this part in the video because my hair usually looks better the next day. So I got ready, haven't done anything to my hair yet, so we're gonna see what it looks like. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah, my hair in my opinion, it looks better the next day. I don't know if anybody else can notice a difference, but so yeah, I really just shake it around, pick it out a little bit more. And I just literally mess with it until I'm happy. So that is my finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave the link to every product that I used in the description. Sending you peace, love, and blessings. Until next time, bye.